Worried about the cost of remodeling your kitchen or bathroom? Have you received multiple Boca Raton home remodeling quotes but still have not taken action? You're not alone. These spaces are the most expensive to upgrade. Why? Think about plumbing, high-end appliances, and fancy finishes. Custom cabinetry isn't cheap. Neither are premium countertops. Imagine paying for granite or marble. It adds up quickly. Even small changes can cost a lot. Don't forget about the labor. Skilled workers charge for their expertise. It's a big investment, but it can add value to your home. So, is it worth it? Many think so. What about structural changes? These are pricey too. Building additions need extensive carpentry. Electrical work and plumbing also add to the cost. Permits are another expense. Structural repairs, like fixing the foundation, are complex. They need experts, and experts aren't cheap. Load-bearing walls? They need careful handling. One mistake can be costly. So get multiple contractor home remodeling quotes, as you must be prepared, as these projects need a solid plan and budget. But they can transform your home. Is it worth the cost? That's up to you. Roofing and exterior work can drain your wallet. New siding or windows aren't cheap. Materials and labor add up, but they improve your home's look and efficiency. So it's a trade-off. Think about your priorities and plan accordingly. Foundation repairs can surprise you. They can be very expensive, especially if waterproofing is needed, or if structural adjustments are required. Also, check that you have a solid foundation or crawl space. Faulty foundations can dramatically decrease your home's value, so make sure it's safe and equipped to withstand many more years, which is why we recommend checking this during the remodeling process. So weigh the costs and benefits. Materials are a big part of remodeling costs. They can take up to 60% of your budget. High-quality materials are more expensive, but they last longer, and they look better. So, choose wisely, and budget accordingly. Remodeling can bring surprises. Mold, water damage, or old electrical systems can pop up. These issues add thousands to your budget. It's smart to set aside extra money. An additional 15 to 20% is a good rule. That way you're prepared for the unexpected. Planning and budgeting are key. Consider all costs, immediate and long-term. Think about the return on investment. Consult professionals. Use online calculators. These steps can help manage expenses. And keep your project on track. So, start planning today and make your dream remodel a reality. Call us for Boca Raton home remodeling quotes today.